So this is the 4th of July fucking Dairy Queen, whatever you want to call it. This is the 4th of July Dairy Queen thing. I don't know what it's called, but still. What the hell? Fucking shit. Yeah, let's stick a whole fucking popsicle in this bitch. Yeah, thanks. I eat this like I eat pussy. Also throw a little mixture of it, bitch. God damn. What is this, whipped cream? Give me some of that. This is finger food. Mmm. Damn. Is it more American than eating a freaking Frosty or whatever? Not even Frosty, a freaking Blizzard with red, white, and blue and a freaking American popsicle in there, huh? Sounds nothing more American. Man, there's no way home on Bill eat this bitch. I ordered a fucking large, and I'm already freezing.